Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import a repository in Google Colab from GitHub. This is an incredibly useful skill if you're working with code projects stored on GitHub and want to run them directly in Google Colab's cloud environment. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to colab.research.google.com. This will take you to Google Colab's homepage where you can create and manage your notebooks. Once you're there, go ahead and open a new notebook by clicking on the New Notebook option. This creates a fresh workspace where you'll be able to execute your code and import your GitHub repository. Now, in the first cell of your new notebook, type !git space clone. This command is essential because it tells Colab that you're about to clone a repository from an external source. The exclamation mark allows you to run shell commands directly within your Colab notebook, and git clone is the specific command used to copy repositories from GitHub. Next, you'll need to grab the URL of the repository you want to import. To do this, open a new tab in your browser and go to github.com. Log in using your credentials to access your GitHub account. This step is necessary because you need to be signed in to view and access your repositories. Once you're logged into GitHub, take a look at the left panel of your dashboard. Here you'll see a list of your repositories. Navigate through this list and click on the repository you want to import into Google Colab. This will open up that specific repository's main page where you can access all its files and settings. On the repository page, locate and click on the green button labeled Code. This button reveals several options for accessing your repository. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Copy URL to Clipboard. This action copies the repository's URL, which you'll need to paste back into your Colab notebook. Now switch back to your Google Colab Notebook tab. Position your cursor right after the !git space clone command you typed earlier and paste the URL you just copied from GitHub. The complete command should now read something like !git space clone followed by the full GitHub URL. Finally, click the Run Cell button, which looks like a play icon to the left of the cell. This executes the command and begins cloning your repository into your Colab environment. You might see some output text appearing below the cell as the repository files are being downloaded. Give it a moment to complete, and once it's done, you'll have successfully imported your GitHub repository into Google Colab, ready to work with. And that's it. You've now imported your repository and can start working with your GitHub code directly in Google Colab. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.